How to fix cannot join an invitational leagues and cups in FPL. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix cannot join an invitational league and cups in FPL. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the FPL application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and now go to the Fantasy tab. Here, scroll down and under the Leagues and Cups option, tap on the Join Leagues option. In the interface that you will be led to, make sure you are in the Private tab, and now go ahead and make sure that the code you are entering is correct and is in the standard format. Verify your code and re-enter the code if the code has some errors. You can also ask your league manager to send your code once again. Next, open App Store and search for Fantasy Premier League and make sure you are using the latest version of Fantasy Premier League, and if not, then go ahead and update the application further. And if you are using Fantasy Premier League on your web, then try refreshing the page and clearing the cache and cookies and see if that fixes the issue. If you are getting an error or it says your league is full, even though it is not showing as full, your league manager likely invited you via the web, that is, through desktop or laptop, etc., which reserves your place in the league. If you are in the app and trying to accept the invite, your league manager likely invited you via the web and the app. The web overrides the app invite, so you will be sent the error message. Simply have your league manager delete the web invite and only send it to you through the app. Or you can always just accept the invite through the web. So, this is how you can fix cannot join an invitational league and cups in FPL. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.